In this video, I would like to practice with you the construction I. I means there is or there are in English. I have prepared 20 sentences for you to translate. On every slide, please stop the video and try to translate the sentences on your own. We will check then the answers together. Let's see the first 5 sentences. So the first sentence, there is a book on the table. There is means I. A book, un libro. And on the table, en la mesa. Then we have the sentence, there are 3 students in the class. There are means again I. 3 students, tres estudiantes. And in the class, en la clase. Then we have the sentence, there is no milk in the fridge. So it's a negative sentence. So we have to use no hay. Milk is in Spanish leche. And in the fridge, en la nevera. Then the sentence, there are many trees in the park. There are, we can translate into Spanish again as hay. Many trees, muchos árboles. In the park, en el parque. We have decided for muchos because árboles is a masculine plural noun. And the sentence, there are 2 cats in the garden. There are means again I. 2 cats, dos gatos. And in the garden means en el jardín. We can move to the next sentences. So the sentence, there is a problem. There is means again I. And a problem is in Spanish un problema. Then the sentence, there are 5 chairs. So again I. And 5 chairs, cinco sillas. Then the sentence, there is nobody at home. So again, I. Nobody, nadie. And at home, en casa. Then the sentence, there is coffee in the kitchen. So again, I. Coffee, café. And in the kitchen, en la cocina. Then we have a question. Is there a dining room? So it will be I. And a dining room, un comedor. Let's move to the next sentences. So the sentence, there are 3 windows. There are means again I. 3 windows, tres ventanas. Then we have a question. Is there anything to eat? Is there means I. Anything, algo. To eat, para comer. Then the sentence, there are 2 bathrooms. There are means I. 2 bathrooms, dos baños. Then the sentence, there is a meeting tomorrow. There is means I. A meeting, una reunión. And tomorrow means mañana. Then we have a question. Is there a dog in the house? Is there means I. A dog, un perro. And in the house, en la casa. Let's move to the last 5 sentences. So the question, is there an armchair? Is there means I. An armchair, un sillón. Then we have the sentence, there are 2 children in the photo. There are means I. 2 children, dos niños or hijos. And in the photo, en la foto. Then we have the sentence, there is a man in the picture. So again, I. A man, un hombre. In the picture, en la imagen. Then there are many people in the shop. So again, I. Many people, mucha gente. And in the shop, en la tienda. And the last sentence is a question. Is there a shower? So again, I. A shower, una ducha. That's everything I've prepared for you today. I hope you translated all the sentences correctly. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you liked it, so please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for getting more content. Thank you. Bye.